Hi everyone. I'm recording this video because early today Dr. Vetter talked to me and he said several of you reach out to him and say you are this course is harder than you expect and you need some additional help. And I'm recording this video to show you how you can get additional help and where you can find the additional resources if necessary. Okay, so well, the first thing I want to say is well, here are some of my expectations from to you on this course. And the first thing is you need to have access to this book. And I know this book is heavy, and probably you don't want to put it into your school bag every day. And if you don't want to buy this book, but if you can borrow this book from somebody else, that's fine. And if you can rent this textbook somewhere else, that's fine too. But you do need to have access to this book because after each lecture notes, and then I will say you are expected to read this section from the textbook. Okay, and number two, you got watch the videos. And I know sometimes the videos by watching the video, it's not really enough for you to learn all the concepts, but you got to watch the video first to have some idea. And then, if you feel necessary, go ahead and read the corresponding sections I assign to you at the end of each day's lecture. And if you need someone to work with, and personally, when I was a student, I feel I study better if I study with one or two study mates. So if you feel this way too, and feel free to find a study buddy or study mate. And if you are new to UNC Wilmington and you don't know anyone to study with, and send a message to me, and then let me try to find someone that you can work with. Okay, at least I'm trying to connect you guys if you need a study buddy. Okay, and then the last thing is if you feel you still want to ask me questions or talk to me and let me either debug with you or try to show you how to attack a question, well, and come to my office hours. My office hours are Wednesdays and Thursdays 1 to 2 p.m. And if this time doesn't work for you, and then you can shoot me an email and ask for a one-on-one time. Okay, and we can do this one-on-one time either online or face-to-face. Okay, and another thing is, well, here is additional resources provided by UNC Wilmington. Well, it is a website called Skillport. You need to go to My Seaport first, and then underneath of the menu of student resources, there is a entry called Utilize Skillport. So once you go to Skillport, you will see something like this. And then this is the homepage of the Skillport. And by the way, it is a resource provided by UNC Wilmington. And sometimes you can see UNC Wilmington put some content here too, like run, hide, and fight. And this is a security training for student and faculty staff. But if you want to do a search of algorithm, and it will bring you some of the videos. So by default, it will show you the videos and like the Dijkstra algorithm, and we are gonna cover this in the second half of the semester. But if you want to see books or courses, there are a couple of them too. Okay, so you can if you find that our big white book is not really the right textbook for you because it's too theoretical, it's too mathematical, and then you can see if there are better resources available for you. And plus, those are the resources paid by UNC Wilmington, so you don't have to pay for anything. Okay? Well, and the last thing is, well, after discussing with Dr. Vetter, and I decide to hold a additional problem session each week. It will be on Fridays 1 to 2, and then we are gonna do this synchronously on this Zoom. And the rule is, well, I will be staying in this Zoom room, and then if students come, you want to ask me any questions, and go ahead. If you want to share your screen, I will allow you to do that. And if you want me to show you how to work on certain problems, and then I can share my screen, and then I can work on the problem with you. So it will be first come and first serve. And then if you ask me questions about a homework that is not due yet, well, I may not give you the full solution. Or if you have already solved a problem, you just want to ask me, did I do this correctly? And don't share your full solution, okay? Because there could be several students in the Zoom meeting together, and then student one asks question, and then switch to student two. So if you're sharing some of your screen, and don't share your full solution. Okay, so those are some of the resources and additional help that I want to offer you guys. And please make sure that you understand. My job is not to make you suffer. My job is to make you learn. But for some of you guys, and probably algebra is already, well, 5 years ago, or algorithm or data structure is already 3 years ago. So everything is got really rusty, or it's kind of already gone from your memory, and I understand that. So, well, and I also understand for some of you guys, and this is your first algorithm course, so I know this can be a little bit scary, but let me know if you need my help, and I'm willing to help you. I'm willing to help you guys. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.